16 minutes, a woman in India reports rape. Over 80% of women have faced harassment in public spaces. For every case reported, countless others remain unheard, silenced by fear, stigma, and a broken system. From city streets to workplaces to even their own homes, no space is truly safe. The law exists, but justice remains a distant dream. This is more than a statistic, it's a crisis, and silence is no longer an option.
It's an act that is done without the proper consent, or it's an act that is not done by the choice. It's over somebody's actual will.
रेप तो हर समय होता है, हर जगह होता है, महाराष्ट्र हो, यूपी हो, बिहार हो.
Yes, I know about sexual harassment, and I think it's basically making a sexual contact or connect with someone of opposite or same gender without their consent.
अभी देखो, जैसे अपने घर में भाई बहन होते हैं तो सभी बेटों को तो ये चाहिए कि अपने घर की बहनों को भी दूसरी दृष्टि से, जैसे कि किसी भी लड़की को देखो तो अपने बहन समझ के बोलो, देखो उसको. इस तरह नहीं करना चाहिए. आजकल लड़कों की इतनी हो गई है, उनकी दृष्टि इतनी खराब हो गई है कि उनको ना 3 साल की बेटी दिखती है, ना बड़े बुजुर्ग दिखते हैं. कहीं भी कैसा भी हो, उनके साथ ऐसा व्यवहार करना नहीं चाहिए.
Sexual harassment is mainly when things happen against your consent. When people, it can be in any way. It can also be when people touch you inappropriately or they tease you. That also involves. So yeah.
Look out for 4 men who allegedly passed lewd comments at a college girl on board the metro in Bangalore.
She was chased and pursued by a group of men who allegedly made lewd comments against her and vulgar gestures.
स्कूल के ही एक छात्र से की छेड़खानी से तंग आकर मौत को गले लगा लिया.
4-month pregnant woman was allegedly sexually harassed and pushed off a moving train.
Yeah, my sister was once, but not really, but she was followed by somebody.
I think I have seen some circumstances, but I cannot talk about it.
I feel that there will be someone, because first of all, as I said previously, the men that we have experienced, like me and my friends, not exactly it would be sexual harassment, but they used to tease us. Even I would say once on New Year's Eve, we were all here at night, and there were 2-3 men who approached us. They followed us. Even there were 4-5 men who came with sunflowers, and they asked one or two of my friends out. But then we approached, there were also police officers around, so we approached one of them, and then we spoke, and then we told them this is all happening, and then they were like, okay, you can stay with us, we'll take you around until and unless you reach the station.
So then he comes and he asks me, do you want to take a photo? Can I take a photo with you? And I'm like, no. And he's like, photo. And he couldn't speak English well, so he was like insisting. And I was like, that's when I realized the reason he was doing it, because of somewhat peer pressure to show that he's like a cool guy, and he can be chill around girls and everything, and maybe a dare or something. So that kind of makes me realize that maybe there is some sort of culture where these men think it is great, or maybe it's cool, or maybe it's somewhere glorified, and you get away with it, so that makes them feel even oh wow, we got away with also.
Lack of education is number 1. Lack of awareness is number 2. Number 3 is thinking that opposite sex is weaker, which is not.
लेकिन एक कारण क्या है, लड़कियों में अपना में सुधार नहीं रखती है. अगर लड़की सीमित रूप से सही सलंग चलती तो लड़के ऊपर आंख उठा कर नहीं ताकते.
तो फिर आपको लगता है कि लड़कियों के
कुछ
कपड़े पहनने के ढंग से होता है?
दोनों का इसमें एक तरफ हाथ नहीं बजता है, दोनों की ताली बजती है. कोई सड़क से जा रहा है तो किसी की हिम्मत नहीं लड़कियों से बात करने की, जब तक लड़की बोलेगी नहीं तब तक. अगर आप जा रहे हैं तो हम बोल नहीं सकते हैं आपको. हाँ, कोई काम है, हम आपसे किसी विषय के ऊपर क्वेश्चन करना है, आप पढ़ने कॉलेज जा रहे हैं, उसके ऊपर क्वेश्चन करना है, तब हम आपसे बात करेंगे. हमारे क्लास फेल हो रहा है, तब हम बात कर सकते हैं, अन्यथा इस तरह से बात नहीं करेंगे आपसे.
Because mainly, obviously, men, because they think that they can easily. It's a very normal thing for them, I would say, and mainly for those who are very uneducated. Because in India, this is a lot of cases. Like even if we ever sit at Marine Drive, mostly there are people who are just sitting there idly. They don't have anything else to do. So and they are sitting in huge groups, like 4 or 5 men sitting together, and they literally don't have anything to do. And if we are going out somewhere by our friends or as a group, and if we are only 2 or 3 girls at night, so they tend to be, they'll start joking, they'll start teasing, they might even stare at us, and they'll be completely fine with it, that okay, we can just do it. It's just a fun thing for them, I would say.
रीजन क्या है? समय परिवर्तन हो गया है। पहले के समय था कि लड़कियां सलवार कमीज पहनकर अब चली है, ऊपर से ओढ़नी लगाई है, शरीर आपका ढका हुआ है, तो दोनों का गलतियां हैं। एक नहीं कि लड़की नहीं गलती करती है। लड़की, मैं क्या बोला, अगर लड़की नहीं चाहती है बोलना तो लड़के का हिम्मत कहाँ आपसे बोल देने का?
जोर जबरदस्ती तो
नहीं जोर जबरदस्ती। जब लड़की आंख लड़ाएगी तब जोर जबरदस्ती करेगी, उसकी माँ के कहाँ बदमाई भी आई है। ये बात नहीं, जब दोनों तालियां दोनों बजती है, एक तरफ तुम बजाओ ना, एक तरफ एक हाथ से बजाओ ताली बजता है।
मेरा तो यही विचार है कि भाई लड़कियां भी उसी तरह समझदारी हो गई हैं, अच्छे से रखती हैं। आजकल कोई एजुकेशन है तो सब साथ साथ रहते हैं, बैठते हैं, उठते हैं। उसमें यह है कि लड़कियों को भी अपनी समझदारी से काम रहना चाहिए, भाई बहन की तरह रहना चाहिए। वो निगाह नहीं करनी चाहिए कि जो एक होना चाहिए। लड़कों को भी समझदारी करनी है, और घर समाज से ही, घर से ही उनके अगर मतलब घर में उनका अच्छा व्यवहार आचरण विचार होगा तो वो लड़के लड़कियां क्या सब कभी किसी लड़की पे कोई दृष्टि नहीं डाल सकता, गंदी दृष्टि नहीं डाल सकता।
I don't think so. The blame can be put on the women if they are dressing in a inappropriate way, or it's their choice completely. So I think whosoever is not having a control over their urges, so they should be taken into proper counseling and all, like all the things they can be that can be done. So yeah.
तो ताली दूसरे हाथ से अगर रोक देती है तो फिर उसको आगे नहीं बढ़ना है ना। तो आई लिव इन कैनेडा, सो आई नो हाउ द वर्ल्ड वर्क्स, आई हैव सीन इट फार, सो इट्स इन योर माइंड, इट्स नॉट अबाउट द ड्रेस फॉर श्योर।
And like, of course, yes, I do believe that you need to dress up better, you need to cover yourself, because like I'm not saying it's wrong, it's bad, but if you care about your safety, and you can't really change men's mindset. ताली एक हाथ से नहीं बचती है, correct, but you try to move your hand away. ऐसे रख दोगे तो भी कोई ऐसे मार के जा सकता है ना. You try to.
One thing I've noticed is that people are not scared of the system, I think, because here in India, but here people drive the system doesn't drive the people. So it has been like a common thing in India. That's why people are not scared to do such acts.
I don't think so, because social media is just like giving it a air. It's like they are just, everybody's posting stories, free her, or like do justice, but it's completely on the government. If they are going to do so, they will do. Yeah, obviously it tells the government that we are now, like, the people knows about this. So I think Mumbai and this area is a bit safer than compared to northern areas.
Though social media is working and we all are like reading about it, reposting it, actually trying to make a point, but it's not always helping us out, I would say.
You've heard the voices, the conflicting opinions, the blame, the denial, the truth. Some say it's the way women dress, others say it's the men who hold power. Some call it a misunderstanding, others call it a crime. But behind every excuse, every justification, one fact remains. Sexual harassment is real and it is everywhere. So who is to blame? Society, the system, or the silence that lets it continue? Change begins when we stop asking why it happens and start demanding that it doesn't. When we create a world where women don't have to think twice before stepping outside. Where safety isn't a privilege but a right. Where every woman can finally say, yes, I feel safe in India.
Yeah, I don't feel safe here.
I don't feel safe. No, I don't feel safe. No, I don't feel safe here.